Got my boy Angel today with me.
Yeah.
What's up? Say what's up.
Long time no see.
Long time no see, way. I miss you, bro.
I miss Christian.
You miss Christian, way? Everybody misses Caillou, way. What are we doing today, bro?
We finally got my coils.
We finally got the coils. Fuck. After what? Like
what? 3 months?
I think like 3. No, like 4. No. When was the last the time we ordered them?
I think March.
March, huh? Shit, it's been a while. They're finally here. We're gonna do some coil install. By the way, this is not my car. My car's right here. We're twinning. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the wheels. It's gonna look better with the coils.
Have you seen it with the new wheels?
Look at this gap, bro. No mames, que pedo. Fucking 5-finger way.
Looks like a lowrider.
Shit. Ay, güey, pinche motor de diablo, güey. I think we need to go lower, bro.
Hey.
It's too high.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it needs more.
All the way down, or what? I think if we go all the way down, I don't even think the wheel's gonna scrape on the fender. ¿Qué crees, güey? Fuck it.
Let's do it.
All the way down. Fuck it. She's already on the floor. Look at that shit. I think if you tuck the tire away, you're gonna be scraping the floor away. Check that shit out. Fuck it, way. Hot boy points. All right, so far we've done the front, just the front two. We still need to do the back. What do you think, way?
It's pretty low. The tires are small, but it's really low because I can't even fit 2 fingers in there.
2 fingers? That's good, way. She looks funny with the small ass tire, way. We just gotta finish the rear and then we should be good. And then hopefully later on I can find some coils for my piece of shit so I can lower it.
1 eternity later.
Alright, we're finally done. We're just gonna mount this tire. The homie D's gonna do the honors real quick. Hey, watch out, bro. Too much hot boy for you, bro.
Too much hot boy, man. Nah, they're too heavy, bro.
Can you do it or no?
No, yeah, they're too heavy, bro.
Ah,
3-piece, bro. I can't.
bro.
And you want some wheels like this. You can't even carry out. There you go. Now you're ready for some wheels.
Now you're ready for some hot boy wheels. Damn.
Bring this one in.
Moment of truth. All right, so basically we gotta make a hole right here because we can't get to the
strap bar.
The strap bar shit. So
You can't reach the adjustment for the coilover.
yep. So we're gonna make a hole.
Light me up over here.
Drop the way.
You drop what?
I dropped it in there.
You have like 4 of them though.
There you go, pimp.
I got it.
You got it. All right, so if you own a 350Z, it's better to make a fucking hole. That way you don't struggle. And then this is so you can, give me some light, Derek. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the adjustment for the fucking shock coil. And since there's like this shit's covering the fucking shock, you basically make a little hole and then you can stick it in there and then you can adjust it. ¿Estás viendo, mijo?
But how are we gonna get it in? We need a needle nose.
Fucking let's make a bigger hole.